going to come true.
One of the questions what would you say? How do we save them?
Well, the easiest way is by example. The easiest way is just to win so ruthlessly that they are forced to accept the brutal reality of their inferiority. That's how it works. So often, because it's amazing how people block their mind out to other ideas, because it's very important for people at home to understand that. I said this many times before, that there's only 3 reasons why you're not rich. The lazy guy would say, it's so far. Why is it so far away? And I'd say, look, I built you a Ferrari. It doesn't get easier than this. It's the best it's ever going to be. There's no other better vehicle on the planet. We have no competition, and we guarantee you gold at the end of the rainbow. Lots of gold, and I have lots of Ferraris, and I'm rich, and you listen to me because you know who I am. So here, go. Yeah, I don't like that route. I don't want a red Ferrari.
Yeah.
You're a nobody. Drive. No, I don't want a red Ferrari. I've always wanted gold. And when I woke up, I thought, okay, I can't fight like I thought. And I guess he expected to never see me again. But there I was the next day, walking in with my bag going, let's go again, round 2, because that's who I am. And I believed in him because he take it from $0 a month to $10,000 a month in a few short weeks. They will then hide their laziness. They'll obscure their laziness behind, I don't want $10,000 a month. I want $1 million. They'll hide it behind their false ambition. Well, if everybody's a millionaire, then being a millionaire doesn't mean anything. You can't buy anything. So there has to be people who win and people who lose. And karma is sitting there with this huge pot of blessings, and it's going through the cosmic ether, looking for people. Who can I give some of these blessings to? It's walking around going, oh, see all these people who go, I want blessings, but they're just sitting on their ass, refusing to do it. And the universe is not going to give them to you that way. Because if it gave lazy people blessings, then nobody would be blessed, because everybody would be blessed, and there's no light without dark. What you have to do is turn up and get your ass kicked until I can't kick your ass anymore. That's the bottom line. That's the only way to get anywhere in life. It's so important. And you know what's amazing to me is how many people can't sell anything ever. And they don't realize that sales is life. Life is sales. That's what people don't understand. Let's say I'm going to make this off the top of my head. You're a mechanic.
Already drama at work. Truck's blocking me in. Let's see if one of these keys work. Nope. Park right in front of me. Right in front of me. Now I gotta find a mechanic to move the truck. Now we gotta go find a mechanic to move the truck. They need to straighten his yard up. All right, y'all, so the driver of that truck, he finna move it right now. And we good to go. All right. All right, y'all, so we got a slow start. It's all good. This yard is a mess. I guess homie about to park right here. Or not. All these trucks just sitting. So the fun part about starting our day, we gotta go on an empty hunt. We gotta go search the world for empty. Usually what I do, I either go to the yard, then Home Depot, but we not going to the yard today because every time I go to the yard, there's no empties. So we just gonna go to Home Depot. No empties at Home Depot, so we gonna text dispatch. We gonna get fuel while they figure it out.
Perfect cup of cheer. Any size, hot or iced. Try our limited time bourbon pecan or cinnamon roll cold brew to add some extra jingle to your journey.
Thanks for stopping by. Here's a look at your weather today.
Full tank of fuel. We got Def. Ready to rock out as soon as this damn truck driver leaves. Alright, y'all, so we got us an empty from Target. So now we finna go grab our load and do what it do. All right, y'all, so we just got loaded up. Now from here, we gotta go to the Amazon warehouse. And usually when I go to Amazon, it's like a 4 or 5 hour trip there, which I don't like. But we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Hopefully we in and out, but it is what it is, because we get into the money. Now y'all see, there's not a lot of stuff there. So we're gonna see how long it's gonna take us to Amazon. All right, y'all, so we're just going around the corner, 5 minutes away to Amazon. So we're gonna see if we can, usually when we go to this Amazon in Fontana, they make us go to a dirt lot and wait for a little bit. So hopefully we ain't gotta do that and we can just go actually inside if it's not too busy. But if it is, we're gonna have to chill. right, so now we waiting at the dirt lot. I had to check in with that little guard shack right there. Right there. And now you waiting for them to call me and give me a door. I don't like this Amazon. It's gonna be a long day. It's all good though. All right, y'all, so they called us. We gotta go to door 204. Time is what? 1:24. We're gonna see what time we get done at the Amazon warehouse. Door 204. All right, y'all. Finally done. Tired as hell. I took a good nap. It's 4:18. So almost like what, 3 hours here? 4 hours almost. All right, y'all, so dispatch didn't get back to me, so I guess it's the end of the day. Had a smooth little day dropping off this load, but you know, Southern California is getting more crazier. We getting busy for the holidays. I'm gonna start making you guys videos on how to survive the slow season, because unfortunately, once the slow season happens, it's gonna be hard for a lot of truck drivers to survive, y'all. You know, January and February are always the hardest years in trucking. I'm sorry, January and February are always the hardest months in trucking. That's considered our slow season. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to survive and make money in the next couple videos during those times. Let's get it. I'm out, y'all.